Next problem number 7 it is. So here P and Q are partners in a firm. Their balance sheet as on 31/3/2014, it should be updated 2018, was as follows. So balance sheet as on 31st/3/2018 as follows here. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. So liabilities are first. Capitals P and Q. P invested 70,000, Q invested 50,000. Creditors 40,000, bank loan 25,000 and reserve fund 16,000. And asset side, cash at bank 10,000, stock 30,000, debtors 20,000, motor car 20,000, plant and machinery 30,000, buildings 60,000, investments 10,000, bills receivable 16,000 and P&L account 5,000. So here partner related items are two here. P&L account on the asset side and reserve fund is on liability side. This P&L account is called here loss. Loss should be on debit side of the partner's capital account here. And reserve fund is on credit side of the partner's capital account. So tally amount becomes here 2,01,000. Both side 2,01,000. Next line on the asset, here adjustment on 1/4/2019, R is admitted into the partnership on the following terms. First adjustment is he brings rupees 40,000 as capital and 9,000 towards goodwill for 1/4 share in future profits. And goodwill is to be withdrawn by the old partners. Goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners. And the adjustments. Next one. Depreciate machinery and motor car. Motor car by 5% and 20% respectively. Here respectively means machinery here 5% and car 20%. And next one, provision for doubtful debts is to be maintained at 5% on debtors and bills receivable also. And next one, increase in the value of buildings and investments by 10% and 7.5% respectively. And commission receivable 150 and outstanding expenses 300. Commission receivable is a unrecorded asset and it is a unrecorded liability. Outstanding expense is a unrecorded liability and commission receivable is unrecorded asset. So these adjustments should be recorded in the revaluation account except first adjustment. In one adjustment ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಕೆಳಗಿನದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ರಿವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. So only thing is that goodwill treatment. Goodwill is to be withdrawn by the old partners. Full amount of goodwill is withdrawn by the old partner. In earlier problem, only half of the goodwill is withdrawn there, and here full amount of goodwill is the withdrawn by the old partners here. So that much is different here. So let's start the revaluation account. So revaluation account, prepare the columns, particulars rupees and put the debit and credit. So first take the second adjustment, depreciate machinery and car. So depreciation means decrease in the value of asset. First asset is machinery. Machinery value here in the balance sheet is that is 30,000. Plant and machinery total ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ 30,000 ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 30,000 amount. And what is the rate of depreciation? 5%. 5 divided by 100. So 30,000 5% ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 1,500. And next one, car or motor car. Motor car value in the balance sheet is 20,000 and rate of depreciation is 20%. 20% means 10% 2,000 attu 20% 4,000. Next one, provision for doubtful debts is to be maintained on at the 5% rate on debtors and bills receivable. Here the meaning of adjustment is decrease in the value of debtors also and bills receivable. Here PDD at 5%. ನೀವು ಒಮ್ಮೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ನಡೆದೈತಿ ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಬಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ನಡೆದೈತಿ. ಡೆಟರ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ 20,000, 5% rate, so 1,000. And bills receivable, provide for bills receivable amount in the balance sheet, it is 16,000. Rate of the provision is 5% again, so 800. And next adjustment is increase in the value of buildings and investments. Increase means on the credit side, sorry, here by buildings. By buildings value in the balance sheet 60,000 and rate of appreciation is 10%. 6,000 increase in the value of buildings. And one more adjustment is there, that is investments. Investments, value of investments 10,000 and rate of increase 7.5. So 10,000 7.5% rate is 750A. And next adjustment, commission receivable. Commission receivable means is the income receivable. So that is a unrecorded asset. Commission receivable. How much commission receivable is there? 150. And next one, outstanding expense is there. That is a unrecorded liability. Outstanding expenses. Rupees 300. So all the adjustments are over here. So make it total. Which side more? Here debit side is more than the credit side. 7,600. And here also 7,600. Difference you got on the credit side, that is old partners capital account. Old partners capital account. Difference is here 700 only. 700 is a revaluation loss. 700 is a revaluation loss that should be distributed among the old partners P and Q in the ratio of 1:1. There is no ratio given, so that's why you treated it as a equal ratio. 1 divided by 2 and 700 into 1 divided by 2. So 350, 350. That 700 should be written here. So this is the revaluation loss that should be transferred to partners capital account on the debit side. Revaluation account. Only old partners 350 and 350. And now partners capital account balance should be taken. Capital balances on the credit side. How much they invested initially there? 70,000 and 50,000. And next, any other partner related items? Obviously there. So reserve fund is there. Reserve fund that should be distributed in the 1:1 ratio. How much reserve fund is there? Total amount of reserve fund here 16,000. So 8,000 for P and 8,000 for Q. And one more, P and L account on asset side is there. That should be on the debit side. P and L account, it is a loss. 5,000, 2,500 to P and 2,500 to Q. Ill ratio kottillantade equal ratio tagondenu. So any other partner related items? So no. So take the new partner capital. It is bank or cash. In the balance sheet, bank balance is given. So that's why you are preparing the bank account. How much they bring here? 40,000. New partner bring 40,000 as his capital. And one more goodwill entry. Goodwill distribution in the 1:1 ratio. Goodwill amount of goodwill is here 9,000. So 4,500 to P and 4,500 to Q. So that goodwill full amount is withdrawn by the old partners. On the debit side, you should write that to bank account 4,500 and here also 4,500. Over. Goodwill treatment is over. Close the account here now. Which side more? The credit side here more. 40,000. And here 62,500. 82,500. and same amount right here, 82,500, 62,500 and 40,000. And balance remains, difference you got on the debit side, that should be called as a balance carried on. These are the capital balances, closing capital balances. 75,150, 55,150 and 40,000 for R capital. So these capital should be carried forward to new balance sheet as a capital of all partners. So now